All right, hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick recap on our Star Search Day that we had here on Thursday. I just wanted to say a big congratulations to all the participants. And I wanted to say how well that the whole team thought you did. Everybody here, every parent, every crew member, they couldn't have been happier. You guys made the day what it was, so a big congratulations to you guys. Also wanted to say, and I've mentioned this many times, congratulations and thank you to all our crew, our lovely volunteers that came out to make this day happen. We couldn't have made this happen without you. So the overall of the day was everything went to plan, except for one little mishap, which at the end of the day it didn't cause any big dramas. No one was injured, no one was hurt, which is absolutely fantastic. That's what this sport's about, making it safe for everybody. And I think that we definitely achieved. So well done, everybody. Yeah, I look forward to watching you guys flourish in the future, and seeing where the adventure that you've just undertaken takes you. So we have a lot of in-car footage, we have a lot of photos, we have a lot of data and stuff that we need to still go through. Given the fact that this is all done by volunteers in our own time, it is going to take a little bit of time to get through all of that. So please be patient. It will all come out to you in due time. So any questions, any support, please don't hesitate. Reach out, give me a call. I'm happy to speak to you.